We're gonna go ahead and make our garlic sauteed broccolini. Okay, so now that my garlic is chopped and I went ahead and removed the stalk of the broccolini, we can go ahead and put together our sauteed garlic. The broccolini is first going to go into a saltwater hot bath. So I'm just waiting for this to come to a boil. Saltwater bath boiling. We'll go ahead and drop in our broccolini. We're only gonna keep it in here for maybe like 7 to 8 minutes. Broccolini is ready to come out of the water bath now. What we want to do to stop the cooking process is put that broccolini in an ice bath. And the reason we want to stop the cooking process is because we don't want it to stay kind of crisp, have a little tenderness to it. So that way when we go ahead and put that garlic on it and saute it in the pan, it'll stay firm. So we got our ice bath ready. I'm gonna go ahead and pour that water off the broccolini. Put that broccolini right into the ice bath. You're just gonna let it sit here for like minutes. You're basically just shocking the cooking process, shocking the broccolini. And you can do this with regular broccoli, other dishes that you're making if you need to stop the cooking process for the vegetables. Okay, now we're gonna head over and get our pan ready for sauteing. Just a quick plug, this is Aisha Curry's line, one of her many colorways, as well as this stock pot right here. Put a little olive oil, garlic that we chopped up earlier. So once we've toasted our garlic, it's now time for our broccolini. So I've taken it off of the ice bath. I'm just gonna put it back in. I'm just gonna saute it. Little olive oil. Put a little black pepper. Garlic powder. And a little Himalayan pink salt. Also gonna add a little bit of crushed red pepper. Just a little bit to give it a little kick.